I'm Mary Ann Goodall. I'm from St. Andrew's Presbyterian, and we have been having these workshops now for the last four or 5 years, something like that. And we're just so delighted to have people come and listen to us after we work for a whole day over there. And going on around the circle in the back is Kilmarnock Methodist. And Bethel Methodist from Radley. And I love this one because Betty Kate has the name of their church right there, so if I forget, it's written right in front of me. Harmony Grove Baptist Church. They're new this year. I introduced the older folk first, but the rest of these groups that are represented are new this year, and we're just so glad to have them. Going on around the circle, we have a group from Urbana Methodist Church. And finally, our small group in the front, but small but mighty, is our group from Kilmarnock Baptist Church. Okay, are you all set back there now? I want to introduce our clinician for today. His name is Larry Henning. He's from Westminster, Maryland. And I had taken my children's choir, or young people's choir, whatever you want to call it, bell choir, to Westminster for a couple of workshops. And they had a wonderful time up there. And when we were thinking about who could we get this year, Larry's name just immediately came to mind. He's a wonderful bell director, has directed many workshops all over the country, and this is the first time he's ever found the northern neck. had quite a time of it, but we're just really delighted to have him, and I know you're going to enjoy the concert today.